Hello and welcome back. This is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to the one of the worst and one of the unusual videos available on YouTube. You might have never seen a video like this before on YouTube. So let me share the background story first. So recently I started providing WordPress and Elementor based services as a freelancer on Upwork, Fiverr, and I am working with my private clients. So I started sharing my journey. But I used to work as a virtual assistant. I used to provide data entry, web research, lead generation, and I created videos on some other topics whenever I feel like if I share the information, some people might going to get some help from the videos. So this is the way how I actually uploaded over 300 videos so far. So now what I'm realizing, whenever I'm uploading a video on YouTube about WordPress, about Elementor, I'm getting some subscribers are getting lost from my list. And now let me just show you an example here. So as you can see, I have got WordPress tutorial 1, 2, 3. These are the series tutorials, and I'm actually making this complete course completely free. This is going to be an advanced premium course, but I'm giving it completely free on YouTube. But still, when I'm going to this analytics page, just take a look. I have lost 7 subscribers from this single video. And from my heart, honestly speaking, from my heart, I really appreciate all those people who have unsubscribed me from this video. And the reason why I am telling this is because I don't want to make them bored by any unexpected contents. They might have joined me by watching some of my earlier videos, previous videos which I uploaded. They might join me to get relevant videos on that specific subject. But now, as I am providing freelance services as a WordPress and Elementor based services, so I decided, and I am actually going to be able to share videos relevant to this one. This might not be something of their interest, so it is totally fine if you just unsubscribe, and I'm really appreciating them, because this way they are not going to get bored and I'm not going to get any bad words from their feelings. So thank you so much guys for unsubscribing me. And if you are someone watching this video who are not enjoying my videos, I request you to unsubscribe. And if you are interested to learn from my experience, and I'm going to upload videos about WordPress, Elementor, web development, designing, freelancing, these types of topics. If you are going to enjoy this video, if you are interested to learn from me, then I request you to stay with me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. This was it guys. I believe you are going to take this easily, and pray for me so that I'll be able to provide you good quality contents in future, and I'd love to help you all. And as you can see, I have got a Facebook group for this reason. As you can see, I have created freelancing with WordPress and Elementor. So far we have got 49 members, and I'm actually trying to make this group more active here. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching, and what to say I'd love to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.